crochet, and again crochet. Tell me what usually you are obsessed about. For instance, I'm obsessed about crocheting. Sometimes I'm obsessed about putting on makeup, doing my hair and other things, drawing, music, whatever. And what's your hobby? What does make you crazy? What does make you want to be addicted about? And what do you usually get addicted about? Please write in the comment under the video. Mom, can you film Kitty a little bit?
Of course. Kitty.
My kitty is very, very photogenic. She's just camera ready all the time. Isn't it, Kitty? If you have a pet, also please write in the comments what your pet likes to do and how funny do they get sometimes. It will be interesting for me to know about this subject because I love cats and dogs. So yeah, I would be happy to find a comment about pets under this video. I crochet and crochet again, and I have my kitty next to me. reserve 10 minutes for my wonderful fans that like to watch me for much longer videos, and this video will be much longer than any other that I've made for you. So stay tuned to watch this video to the end. Ten minutes for my beautiful fans. I am knitting at the moment, I'm crocheting at the moment a jumper, a tunic with a Playboy bunny logo on the front with pink color. And what I do now is the back, and so the pattern is on the front, but this one is plain on the back, and I'm doing the rows to fit my back, and then I'll do the sleeves and sew them all together and make a video of the finished garment at the end. I hope you're going to be keen to see that garment. Ten minutes for my wonderful fans. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing and liking my videos. If you feel kind, please watch my other videos. I'll be glad if you do. Bye.